Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. So let's jump into making some beautiful ornaments to decorate your tree.
DIY number 1, and we're gonna take this beautiful plates from the toy section at Dollar Tree. You can find them. I got them at Amazon, and I'm gonna paint them with red spray paint. Then I'm gonna take those plates, and as you can see, 2 of them are darker and 2 of them are lighter. The darker ones are the green and the blue, and I'm gonna take this beautiful gingerbread man, and I'm gonna take some puffy paint. Those gingerbread men are from Amazon. And now what I'm gonna do with my puffy paint is I'm gonna make swirly thingies over here on the border so I can make some sort of rickrack over here. And look at that, it is looking so cute. Look at that. Now I'm gonna take another one and I'm gonna make dots on it. Let me just take it over here and make dots. And as you can see, I made one of the darker ones with the rickrack and the other one with the dots. Now I'm gonna take my gingerbread man and I'm gonna start gluing them like this, so they are cookies on a plate. Then I'm gonna take the fork and the knife and I'm just gonna glue them like that. So cute. Then I'm gonna flip them over and add the hanger, and for that I use this baker's twine. I'm just gonna make a loop and I'm gonna make a knot on the bottom. Then I'm gonna glue it like this, and just like that I glue it, and that's it. And look at this, they are so cute, but I want to know what you think. So let me know in the comments below if you like them. I just love them. All the materials for this ones, you can find it on my Amazon front store. Now for DIY number 2, I'm going to use spackling. And I use this one, but you can get the one from Dollar Tree. You just want to make sure that it says lightweight spackling. Then I'm going to take this cookie tins. Yeah, I ate them all. But I'm just gonna take them so I can frost them. I'm gonna use my spackling and a popsicle stick, and I'm gonna go all around it like this, making sure that I'm covering all of it like that. I'm gonna cover the sides just like this, and I'm gonna cover the top as well, making sure that I have enough to cover it completely. And if it's a little bit hard to spread, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my cake, and for that I used a sprayer and spread it. Now as you can see, I have both of them ready and they are dried. I let them dry for 24 hours. Now I'm gonna make a hanger, not handle, a hanger with this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just glue it together like this. Then I'm gonna glue it to the cookie tin like this. Then I'm gonna take a popsicle stick and I'm gonna glue it to make sure that it is secured. Now that I have them, I'm gonna take again my lightweight spackling and my 1M Wilton tip, and I'm gonna fill a piping bag, as you can see over here, so we can start decorating. And what I'm doing is I'm just doing stars all around the cake, just like this, going all around it like that, just covering those edges to make it look like homemade cake. After that, I'm gonna make a rosette in the middle like this one, and I made one on each. Now I'm gonna take these berries that I got from, no, those are from Amazon, but you can get some type of berries from Dollar Tree or Walmart. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful gingerbread cookie, but I decided that the rosette was a little bit off-centered, so I removed it like this and I pipe it again. This is the beautiful thing about spackling. You can start over anytime. Now I'm adding my gingerbread man and my beautiful house. I'm gonna add the berries to the other one, and that's it. And look at these, they are so cute and they will look so beautiful on your gingerbread tree. But let me know what you think, because yeah, I'm biased and I love them. So cute. DIY number 3, and for this one we're gonna use toy glasses or toy, cups or whatever you can find on the toy section, and some spoons. Then I'm gonna take this red paint and I'm gonna spray paint my glasses, just the glasses, the outside. Now that I have them, and as you can see, we have the same thing, two that are lighter and two that are darker. I'm just adding my spoons. Then I'm going to take some of this. Those are straws from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add them to the glasses. Then I'm going to take cotton balls that you can also get it from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add 3 of them to each one. Let me just fill them like this. Fill the other ones. Then I'm going to take my 1M Wilton tip with spackling, and I'm just going to go around adding my frosting. And as you can see, it's pretty easy with this one because they are so small that it covers it almost completely. Now I'm just going to finish with this ones so we can start decorating. And for that, I'm going to use this beautiful glitter. Let me just get it. But first, let me add this hangers. And this is the glitter that I was talking to you about. It's from Walmart, and it is iridescent glitter. I'm going to add a little bit to all of them like that. Then I'm going to take these berries from Amazon, and I'm just going to add 1 on each one on the top, just like this. I remove the stem, and I add just the berry. Let me just finish with that, and I'm going to take this beautiful sprinkles that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to start adding them to my beautiful drinks. And this is hot chocolate, I think. So I'm just going to make sure that they are added there. Oh yeah, stuck there. Just by pressing them down like that. As you can see, I just place them there, and I just press them a little bit, just a little bit. Then I'm going to continue doing that to all of my drinks or hot chocolates. And I'm just going to finish with them, adding lots of those beautiful sprinkles because I like my hot chocolate with sprinkles. And here you can see them, and these are so cute. They are so beautiful, and you can make them with any glass you want, even those plastic cups that you can find at Dollar Tree. But look at that, so cute.
If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media, so you can go and check me out over there.
Now for DIY number 4, I'm gonna take cork. And you can use the one from Dollar Tree that it is sticky, but I just had this one, so I'm just going to work with what I have. I'm going to cut it like this, making sure that I have straight lines, and for that I'm using my ruler. And I'm using a rotary cutter. I don't know, I cannot pronounce that. And as you can see, I have lots of them because we're going to glue 2 together. And for that, I'm using my hot glue like this, and I'm adding it to the sides and a little bit to the middle. Glue it together like that. Let me just glue another one like this. And after that, I cut the excess because you will have a little bit of excess cork. Then I'm going to take this Model Magic, and I'm just going to make the marshmallow. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of that Model Magic, make it like a bowl like that, then flatten it down using my hand, just making sure that it is enough and it shows to the sides. That's why I added a little bit more, because it wasn't showing on the sides of my graham cracker. Now, as you can see, it is perfect. I added a little bit of hot glue. I'm just going to glue it over here. Then I'm going to take the other one, and I'm going to add the hanger. And for that, I'm using this metal hangers that I got from Walgreens because Walmart didn't have them. So I added them like that. Then I'm going to take the top one, but first I want to paint it. And I'm just going to do this. I just measure it, and as mine is 3 inches, I went to the 1.5 inch mark, and I'm just making small lines in between using my burnt umber paint. Just like that, to make that part of the cookie that you can break. Then I'm going to take the back of my paintbrush, and I'm going to make dots like this all around my cookie. As you can see, we're making like a polka dot type of pattern. After I finish with that, I'm going to take brown hot glue and my glue gun, and I'm going to make the chocolate. And for that, what I'm doing is I'm just spreading that glue like this, adding a little bit more here and there to make sure that it is looking like melted chocolate, just like that. Then I'm going to glue the top part of my cookie like this, and we have a beautiful s'more. And now, as you can see, I'm going to make another one so you can see it. I added the chocolate, and then I'm going to add the cookie, and that's it. So super cute. Then remove all those glue strings and you have a beautiful s'more. And look at that. They are so cute, but I want to know what you think because yeah, I'm biased. They look so good that I just want to eat them all. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below and you will get a shout out in my channel. Our last DIY or DIY number 5, and we're going to take Model Magic, and I'm going to take a little bit of that Model Magic so we can make it a long rope. I think it looks like a rope. So we're gonna make it like this. This is better to be seen instead of explained. And when I have it, I'm gonna cut it in half like that, and I'm gonna start it rolling it on itself like this. After I do that to both of them, as you can see here, I'm gonna add some dowels to the bottom, and what I'm doing is I'm just making the hole so I can glue that dowel to the lollipop. And what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that the hole is perfect. I'm gonna do that to the other one, and then I'm gonna let this ones dry for 24 hours. Then we're gonna take some hot glue and glue that dowel to the hole like that. Then I'm gonna take some of this red puffy paint and I'm gonna start doing lines to this one like this. After I continue or finish doing those lines, I went around to those swirly thingies to make sure that I can see them. So I'm gonna continue doing those cute lines. I had some issues with my camera, so you won't see when I do the lines around it, but you will see it on the finished project. Now that I have both of them, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a bow over here, and for that I'm using baker's twine, and I'm gonna just do a shoelace bow. I'm gonna wrestle with it a little bit over here. Then I'm gonna cut it to size, and I'm just gonna add it with a little bit of hot glue like this. Then I'm gonna add a loop to the back, and as you can see, I just made a loop, a knot on the bottom, and then I glue it to the back of the lollipop. And that's it. Now let me show you. Here you can see it, and now you can see that I added that red so we can see the swirls on the lollipop. Let me know what you think about this ones. And here you can see all of them together once more, and I'm so in love with all of these. They are so cute. I just love them. This is the most beautiful set of ornaments I have ever done. Yeah, I'm biased. So let me know what you think about all of them because yeah, I told you I'm biased and I just love them. And also remember that in my description box down below, you're gonna find the link to my Amazon front store so you can find most of the items that I used today, and the other ones you can find them at Dollar Tree or on your local dollar store as I did. Remember that this is an idea so you can create your own ornaments. And let me know if you will be making some gingerbread ornaments for this year and if you have your tree up.
And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Remember, let me know in the comments below what you think about all of them, and share this video with a friend because that's the free way to help this girl out. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.